Are undercuts still a thing? That is the question of the day. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back for another haircut tutorial. Today we are doing an undercut. We're not taking anything off the top. We're gonna line them up, fade in the beard and all that. You know what I'm saying? Get them right, And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So you guys already know what we're doing. We're doing a high skin fade. We always start by balding out the bottom first, and we're doing that with our trimmer. We are doing a high skin fade, so we're going to stop a few fingers width above the ear. That's how you can measure to know where to start at. Okay, so this is about 3 fingers width above the ear, or you can go slightly above the area where the C swoop meets the corner of the lineup in the bottom left corner right there. You can use either one. That one, if when you're doing a high skin fade, you go slightly above it, or you can use your fingers and put them right at the tip of the ear and see how many levels up that would go. If you feel like it's too high, take off a finger and just use 2. I know everybody's fingers are not the same width, so use your best judgment. But this is how you're going to plan out your high skin fade. So once you figure out your line, you're going to take that line and take it all the way around, and we're going to bald out the bottom. We're going to use an electric shaver on the bottom to get it nice and close, to have that nice skin blurry fade. It just stands out a lot more when you use that electric shaver on the bottom. And then we are going to fade it up to a 1.5. The 1.5 is going to go all the way up to where the separation happens for the undercut. As you can see, I've already parted the top from the bottom, so we're going to do a 1.5 straight to the top. Put that 1.5 guard on and take it all the way to the top. Quick note before moving on with the fade: when you're doing a fade like this, when you know what number you're doing at the top and you know you're doing a skin fade on the sides, it's good to just figure out beforehand how many guards you're going to use. So we do skin on the bottom, so obviously that's no guard, it's just a trimmer balding it out. And then at the top we're doing 1.5. So what's going to be in between that? All you have left is your half guard and your number 1 guard. So those are the only 2 guards that we are going to use to blend between our skin fade and our 1.5. Okay, if you think about it like that, it makes it a lot easier to know how much space you need, what guards you're going to use, etc. And then basically, to really get that blend going, you're going to see, like what I'm doing right now, you're going to use the corner of your clipper and you're going to adjust that lever. Okay, the lever adjustment is going to help how you get that nice blend between each step. Okay, you just got to use your best judgment. You make it a little longer as you're going up, make it a little closer as you're going down, and use that corner to blend in between. So with that being said, we started with our half guard lever closed. We went up about a finger's width. Then we took the half guard off. We blended with our corner into the skin. And then we're going to use our number 1 guard lever closed. And we're going to go up another finger's width. And then we're going to go back to our half guard using the corner. And we're going to blend that in between. And then we're going to use our best judgment on the lever adjustments, on where we use the corner of our clipper and stuff like that. Okay, if you want me to go into more detail about that, maybe I should make another video just talking about that. But for now, I just want you guys to know how these steps work when fading. All right, and you guys obviously know it's going to be the exact same steps all the way around. It's going to be our 1.5 guard at the top, skin at the bottom, and fading with our 2 guards in between. Okay, the 2 guards are going to be in between, and then obviously no guard at the bottom to try to blend that into the skin. And then if we still see a slight line, we'll use our trimmer, the corner of our trimmer, just to kind of, get any dark lines out of there that um, might not be wanting to fade out with just our clipper. Maybe our clipper's not close enough. So yeah, it all depends on the hair texture and whatnot. So use your best judgment, trust yourself, trust your gut, and make sure to use that corner when blending. And of course, repeat the same steps on the back as well. And just remember, you're doing the exact same thing. It's just a smaller area you're working with. Trust yourself. You can do this. Can we take a moment for the blur back there? Look at that fade. Looks nice and clean. And then we lined them up. I had already faded the beard, and now we're just applying the straight razor around the lineup, make it stand out and everything. And this is the final look. High skin fade, everything lined up, no enhancements. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate you watching.